Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Dubai is continuing to be a hit in blockchain adoption. According to a report, the Dubai government aims to create 40,000 jobs in the metaverse over the next 5 years and add $4 billions into the economy through metaverse and Web3 developments. Status plan for Metaverse development. The strategy announced by Sheikh Hamdan bin Hamad Mohammed, the Crown Prince of Dubai, aims to support the government's objective of tripling the number of blockchain enterprises in 5 years. Sheikh Hamdan said on Twitter that more than 1,000 blockchain and metaverse businesses are already based in Dubai, with a $50,000 million economic impact on the country. With the new plans, Dubai hopes to become one of the top 10 metaverse economies in the world, with the sector expected to generate up to 40,000 additional virtual jobs and $4 billion in additional GDP over the next 5 years. The government wants to create infrastructure and rules to hasten the adoption of the technology, while also creating international standards for creating safe and secure consumer platforms. The strategy emphasizes fostering talent and investing in future capacity by providing the necessary support in metaverse education and developers, content creators, and users of digital platforms in the metaverse community. Emirates News Agency reported, already exploring metaverse potential. UAE is already paving its road to the digital world of the metaverse. Emirates Airlines announced in April 2022 that the company would expand its use of metaverse technology. Airlines revealed plans to launch NFT, the both revenue and improve consumer service. The global property development experts say it is still early to confidently say to how the metaverse will look or function. Furthermore, the hardware solution to reach the full potential of metaverse are still being developed, while many big players in the tech industry are trying to define and create a foundation of the metaverse. Skeptics say that it is so early to go all in. When you compare the metaverse market size in projected to reach USD 8,000 to 4 billion by 2030, as this new technology will certainly transform how people interact with digital experiences. Government that week and official metaverse strategy now will have to be one step ahead. US has one of the friendliest environments for crypto-related business, which has converted Dubai into the world crypto hub. More about development in the metaverse. Use the last UA to launch world first hospital in the metaverse. Top 10 metaverse to keep an eye on in 2022. As the global Web3 ecosystem continues to evolve at the staggering pace, to have the forex associated with this night. In a striking new development, a high-ranking Singaporean Government minister cannot that legal marriage proceeding court case dispute and government service called when they become the state using Metaverse platform will delivering a keynote address at Singapore Tech Law Fest 2022 last month. The country's second ministry for law admin talk. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you.